So welcome back to my channel. I already prepped my face, did everything to my face, my lids. I did my bronzer, blush, and all that. I just haven't done my highlight, lashes, and my eye look. I didn't want this look to take forever. I wanted it to be a simple 4th of July look. So yeah, my face is all done. Now we're just gonna go jump into the eyes. So if you wanna see this little simple 4th of July look, then keep on watching and let's just begin. I'm gonna go in with this white right here. I'm gonna use basically this white and this blue right here. So let me begin. And I'm gonna use like a light brown as a transition, just to kind of put depth in the eye. So a little light brown that you guys have, doesn't matter. And just kind of bring it in here. Just as a transition color, very lightly, not so much. Lightly, lightly. To this side as well.
Washington.
Really? Wow. Oh my God. You got a haircut? Let me see, babe.
Yeah, I did, man, but I don't like when he leaves my beard like that.
Why? I like it like that.
Skinny, man. I look like
I want you in my videos, but you can't be swearing.
Oh, you can delete it.
I'm not gonna delete it. I'm just gonna put music over it while we're talking. So yeah, guys, continue blending here.
Blend, blend, blend. That's what she said.
Do it gently, don't do it so much. And then you can leave it there. And then let's go, now since we had a little transition, I'm gonna go with that white shadow that I told you guys, and I'm going to pack it on with, and I'm just gonna pick it up, and I'm gonna go halfway. Like so, you see, guys, so you want that white to, you can also use your finger if you would like. Just a little, and you can bring it all the way. We can bring it all the way because I want that blue to have something to kind of attach itself to. So you could bring it all the way, do it halfway if you like. Just pack it on, guys. Continue to do the same thing you did on the other eye and the other side. And you can either leave it halfway like this and then put the blue, or you could just, like I did, just bring it all the way. All the way. Kind of bring it a little bit up only because I want to be able to see it when I have my eyes open. So you can bring it a little bit up, yeah, just like so. Show the other side too. See, like so, you see how the white is already popping out. Love, love, love that. So now we're gonna go with that blue, and with a different brush, this little tiny brush, I'm going to start packing that blue on there. And let's see, I'm trying to see if I wanna, yeah, let's do, okay, this is what I'm gonna do. Yeah, we're gonna pack it like towards the middle of the eye. Let's just do it in the middle. Towards the middle of the eye. And this looks really nice. And just pack it on. If you're doing like a little halo or something. So pack this right in the middle. See, just like that. Oof, so pretty. Okay, so I was gonna do it on the side, but I felt it was more better to put it like in the middle. I think it brings out the color a little bit better. And you can actually notice those two colors together. So yeah, likewise, other eye, we're just gonna go right in the middle. Right in the middle. So you're going towards the middle and then packing it on, and then like you're going to thicken it up, and then really thin in the middle and going down. These colors look better when you like kind of rub them. You know, because they're kind of like foil shadows, so really make sure to pack it on and make sure that it looks even too as well. See? If it could, just pour some here. Okay guys, simple like that. If you feel like some of the white went away, then just go back in and apply some of the white in the corner, because you want everything to blend in. Right in the corner, you want it to blend in. Like so, like that. Ooh, I really think that's pretty. Came out really nice. To be able to see how you can still see even though my eyes are closed. That's what you want. You want it to be able to see. So go back to that brown shade that you had and blend all this in. Blend all this in. Just like that. See? Sorry, I got some here. Okay, so you can leave it like this. Do your lashes or whatever. So I'm gonna darken that blue. I'm gonna darken that crease a little bit with that little brown. Okay. That brown. So it's okay if some of that blue goes up there. I think it looks cute and just a little to put my lashes on. Like so. And I'm gonna just do a tiny wing only because, but I'll do that after I put my lashes because I don't want it to take away from the eye color, or I might not. So today I'm gonna use my Ardell Twin Pack. Got on my TJ Maxx, I haven't used them yet. So I'm going to pop this in really quickly and I'll be right back. So I really like these, they're really pretty. Like they make me look boom, but they're not as dramatic, but they're really nice, they look good. Blend my lashes to the lashes, just a little bit on the bottom to make it really blend together. If you want, you definitely can put liner if you want. I'm debating if I want to or not, only because I just don't want to take away from the look, you know? But I might like to push it down as well to make it look more natural. Just like that. That's what I like. Perfect. I don't like them too like up. I feel like if you put them too up, it doesn't look as natural or as real. So yeah, Rivera. And then I'm going to put some blue in my waterline. Looks so pretty, guys. Wow. Okay, so if you want, you can. So then here I leave it like that. But for the lips, I am going to use a red lip. You can use any red lip of your choice. Doesn't matter, that you like. I'm gonna put this lipstick, and then I'm gonna put my Anastasia Beverly Hills Sapphire over it. Because I wanted the eyes to be blue and white, and then the lips I wanted to be red. So I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia. And I'm just gonna put just a little bit. Ah, you see that? Just like that. Then I'm gonna put just a little tiny thin wing line, just a little bit. See guys, very thin like that. I think it came out so pretty. If you want to go pack on more of that blue, more of the white if you would like, perfectly fine. Rub some of that blue on the bottom too as well if you want. There you go. Mascara on your lower lashes. We spray my face, and then we'll do highlight, and we're done. Ooh. Boom. Up here. Boom. Okay guys, so there you go. This is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I enjoyed it. Did some little last minute touches where I figured to change the look. I was gonna do something else, but this one was cute, nicer and prettier. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. Turn your post notification on so you know when I upload a video as well. Don't forget to follow me on my socials, and I hope you have a safe and enjoy your 4th of July. And like I always say, may God bless you.